Once upon a time, in a school unlike any other, there was a young boy named Max who discovered a hidden door at the back of the library. Behind the door was a magical classroom that only appeared to those with a curious mind. Inside, the desks floated in the air, chalk wrote on the blackboard by itself, and the books whispered ancient secrets. Max soon met a talking cat, a wise old owl who served as the teacher, and a group of enchanted students from different worlds. Together, they learned incredible things about science, history, and magic, but there was also a mysterious puzzle to solve. Max and his new friends had to use their wits, teamwork, and bravery to unlock the final secret of the magical classroom and save their school from a forgotten spell. The mysterious puzzle unfolded each day, with new clues hidden within the lessons. As the wise owl guided them, they realized that the forgotten spell was a barrier preventing the school from revealing its fullest potential. One day, Max noticed the whispered secrets of the books formed a pattern, leading to an ancient artifact hidden beneath the library. With the talking cat's help, Max uncovered the artifact, a shimmering key, essential to break the spell. Gathering his friends, Max led them to the magical classroom where the key resonated with the floating desks and chalk. As they placed it on the teacher's desk, a golden light enveloped the room, revealing a hidden message on the blackboard. The puzzle solution required them to say the spell aloud together. As their voices harmonized, the classroom transformed, filling the entire school with magic and knowledge. The forgotten spell was lifted, allowing teachers and students to engage in extraordinary learning experiences. Max and his friends, bonded by their adventure, became the guardians of the enchanted classroom, ensuring that only those with curiosity and courage would find it.